Hey guys, we're going to go over the Trout River live bottom trailer with the spreader attachment. We're just going to show you quickly how to hook up the spreader. The first thing you want to do is with the forklift, you will drive the spreader into the attachment hooks on the back of the trailer. The next thing you want to do, put the safety pins in to lock it. From that point, you're going to take the safety chains, hook them both to the top. After that, we'll go to the hydraulics. When you see your hydraulic hose here, basically what we have is a looped line. When the line is looped, you're able to use your trailer. When you undo your lines, you will then hook it up to the attachment. Right, so now our attachment is hooked up. We will then turn on the hydraulics. This trailer has a wireless remote control. The functions are the top, the tarp, open and close, the conveyor, reverse, forward, and also the door, open and close. So we'll try it out. We will actually we'll open the tarp back up a little bit. And we let go, the tarp will stop. Same thing with the close. We're going to do, we will open the back door. The dial flow control, how it works, the further we're going to push this here dial down, the faster the attachment is going to turn. So we'll find the speed we want. The next thing we'll do is start unloading the conveyor. If you want to stop the conveyor, simply press the button again. To reverse the load, press the reverse button. When you let go, the control will stop. That's all. Thanks for watching, guys.